Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing. I just got my hair from Shein. Yeah, this is actually my first time of buying hair in Shein. So today we are going to see how it looks like, if the hair is good or not. Okay, so this is my Christmas hair. Let's call it my Christmas hair. Okay, yeah. I love the pink package. It's so nice. So guys, this hair is buy one get one free. Okay, so I bought it when they were doing sales. It just came in. So I got 14 inches and 12 inches. After some days they wrote me that the 14 inches that I got is sold out, or I should choose another one, or I should refund. They should refund. I have to choose 12 inches. Let's open. And these are the things that came with it. So guys, this is the 12 inches, and this is the glueless wing, and this one is 150 density. Wow, I really love the hair. I love the quality of the hair. The hair is so fine. You can see they've already cut it. They've already cut everything, and the hair is fine. I love it. Let's see this one. And this one too came with different type of caps. So this is the 10 inches guys. This is the one that I bought, the 12 inches, and this one is free. And this one is 180 density. Oh my god, this one is beautiful. Beautiful, like I love it. It's so nice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you watched to this time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or don't forget to follow me on Facebook page. Okay, bye guys. I'll be seeing you all on my next video.